person zakoBulawayo yedwa ngabe uthi ukhanyisa utshintshaniswa amapolisi uthi ukhuluma nalo omunye uyithi kanti ubesithini lo. So we try to give you the best assistance ngesikhathi ofike ngaso. Then ama-purposes akhona ehhovisi are not much. Nxa usufikile, we want you to have access to the police, which you report a crime that's perpetrated against you. That's why we have that office too, and you report your case. We have access to temporary shelters for those abused by our parents and guardians.
The child, but my problem with you guys in Gomaliayazi information lilayo, but you guys don't report. Kuyino wenza ukuthi linga report. Umuntu seko abusile wakubamba lapho angafuna kubambe khona kubo don't touch ati omunye wayenza wenzileyo wagcine kurephila andi wakutshengisa into ongamelanga uzibone efonini yakhe sithi pornography andi I know liyakwazi andi
So we say that drugs are substances that change your mental or physical state and they affect how your brain works, your senses or your understanding. There are different types of drugs, auntie. There is marijuana, mbanje, auntie.
Yes.
Ule codeine. Codeine yayazi. Bronco, benylin. Liyabona benatha auntie.
Yes.
Yeah. Libatshela ukuthi amazinyo enu azabola. Auntie.
Yes.
You know that, right? Kuyabola amazinyo and